come to the need system of the education, the special conditions. I think we will also learn to how we learn in this difficult situation. If we have any problems, we can come contact when we will come in contact. So I starting with your chapter, which is the starting the chemistry of the protein. So as we know the interpret classes also somewhat we will studies about these macromolecules. So usually we start with the carbohydrates, but carbohydrates we started with we are starting with the protein, thereby the carbohydrate and the fats. Usually we use it only for the teaching. So for the purpose of continuation of the education, the critical solution, that is the new trend of the learning. So proteins are the one of the macromolecules that I showed. One of the four macromolecules, others are the micromolecules or micronutrients. Vitamins, these carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and proteins are the under the category of the macromolecules. So these basic components of the proteins are the amino acids. So these are linked with the linkage which is called as the peptide linkage. अदर मॉलिक्यूल
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है बिल्कुल भी।
नहीं आ रही है। आवाज कौन की आवाज कौन की
आ रही है जो क्लियर नहीं है, आप थोड़ा सा तेज बात करें सर।
ठीक है तो हूँ अनम्यूटेड हुननि जी तव्हांजी आवाज़ अचे थी तव्हांजी तव्हां ॻाल्हायो ठीकु आहे तव्हांजी आवाज़ वञे पार्टिसिपेंट म्यूट कयो पार्टिसिपेंट जी आवाज़ अचे पई तव्हांखे तव्हांखे स्टूडेंट्स जी आवाज़ The protein word derived from the Greek word proteus, which is the thing which is holding the primary importance in the living thing. You have some of the specimen knowledge and intermediate. Or the energy profile first priority are the carbohydrates, the lipids, and the extreme conditions. Proteins are described. And the routine normal conditions, these are proteins are utilized for the synthesis of the different important compounds or molecules in the body. Come out, you can call them hormones, enzymes, and other different we learn every to proceed for further on the chapter. There are the different lengths of the protein molecule structure. These are the in general are called as the polypeptides. So more than 50 amino acids are present. These are called the proteins. So below these are the called as polypeptide. So they depend upon their structural configuration. They perform different important functions of our body. Biosynthesizing is different compounds.
सर आपकी आवाज़ बिल्कुल भी क्लियर नहीं है, हमें आपका कोई भी वर्ड समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
The basic components of proteins are the mainly core component, and thereby the other components which are present. These are also named as the sulfur content are the sulfur content. So basic components are the carbohydrate, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Depending upon the presence of these nitrogen, these are called the nitrogen bonds. So carbohydrate, hydrogen and oxygen are also present in the carbohydrate and somewhat in the lipids in the compositions. So
खैर आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल भी हमें नहीं आ रही।
आप अपनी माइक बंद करें, यहाँ से आपकी जो शोर आ रहा है पीछे बैकग्राउंड आपके बहुत शोर है, आप वो बंद करें। कौन में बाहर का करने का कैसी जन आवाज हो रही है जी
सब म्यूटेड है। ये नया नया ऐड करते हैं ना, उनके चैनल वाले तो म्यूट करें।
are the have the different upon jet and length have the different molecular weights, which range from the 5,000 between from 1,000 to the like 250. So in the general, the functions of the proteins are also dependent on their classification, which is the functional cause of the classification. So the protein are the classification of the proteins, these are different functions according to the different the compound which is derived from the protein. So enzymes which are responsible for the carrying the different biochemical reactions and splitting their, which is the catalysis. So that is the catalysis which is performed by the enzyme. That is one of the functions. In the formation of different structures, in collagen, keratin, different compounds, that is their structural functions. And the defense, which means the immunity, management, there's again the different classification of the globin, which is a hemoglobin is important, and immunoglobulin is a random topic which we discuss. Hormones initialized role are synthesized from these important which are proteins which are composed of these amino acids. So these are responsible for the different regulation of the different metabolic processes in our body. The transport, albumin is the one of the important components which is responsible for the transport of the water insoluble component, which can be the lipids in the form of the lipoproteins, the different type of the protein is present, which is the apolipoprotein, which makes them transport. Albumin mainly is concerned with the transport of the different type of the fatty acids, other different compound drugs. These are get bind with them and they are transported which are mainly lipid insoluble. These are by binding with these that albumin and they are different have different transport protein and they have a release at their site of action.
सर थोड़ा जोर से बोलें.
So among the third priority protein is for the provision of the that energy. So proteins are decided that is the third priority for the provision of the energy. First priority are the carbohydrates, then by the lipids, and the extreme condition when there is the need for the scarcity of these carbohydrates or lipids in the body of intake डाइट में होगी जहाँ हमारे स्टोर लिक्विड इन बॉडी में वो यूटिलाइज हो जाते हैं thereby the proteins are utilized for the provision of the energy. The nucleoproteins, these are the again stone which are responsible for the formation of the nucleoproteins and nucleoproteins are components of the nucleic acid. So अब अपने पीछे सबमिट करें आप आपका जो शोर आ रहा है
हाँ काइंडली सब अपनी माइक्स म्यूट कर दे सर. आप
आपकी आवाज आ रही है तो आपकी आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए ना क्यों आ रही है आपकी आवाज तो आप म्यूट नहीं है सर म्यूट नहीं होगा तो डेफिनेटली आवाज नहीं आएगी आपके पास हम बार बार आपको म्यूट कर रहे हैं आप फिर सब बोल रहे हैं Another important compound which are the hemoglobin. And then the globin is the component which is the protein and as we studied in the intermediate level. These are hemoglobin response for the in the case of the transport of the oxygen and other important functions. So, although in the cell membrane, these are the integral proteins which are responsible for the peripheral transport channel and peripheral proteins are these are responsible for the acting as the receptor for the action of the hormone. So initially I told that amino acids are the basic components as in the carbohydrate lipids and these are the different components. In the case of the the protein amino acids basic components is responsible for the formation of the different chain links, formation of different
Henry.
So basic linkage is that is the peptide linkage which is present in them. So for the different study purposes are for the purpose these are the hydrolyzed and the by the
एक्सक्यूज मी सर सर आवाज नहीं आ रही बिल्कुल भी.
आपकी कैसे आ रही है फिर आप अपनी बंद करें आवाज Yeah. So as in the different types of the amino acids are present, but 20 amino acids are called as the and amino acids that also the 21 amino acids. But usually the 20 amino acids are classified as different amino acids. So by adopting different sequence of the different length and the different sequence, these are responsible for the synthesis of the different types of the compounds. So although there are more than these and in the hundreds, these are different as amino acids are present in the nature. So their basic extra formula is that
अच्छे भी हैं अच्छे भी वीडियो तो कौन है बनना है वीडियो
so on the one side there's the alcohol game and amino group. So basic and acidic compound both are present in the structure of these amino acids. So that protein these amino acids are called as the compound that works with can acid or base. On the one side there is the hydrogen and another functional group is present, and that functional group is responsible for the synthesis of the different types of the amino acids. So this is different picture, more elaborating. So this is the amino group and this is the carbohydrate group. So this is the acid side and this is the basic side. So by donating or accepting the hydrogen, then it can be act as the buffer in the our body. So that buffers are described by we will in the initial classes when we were studying the biophysics. So in general, the properties of the amino acids, these are colorless, crystalline substances at the room temperature. More soluble water than other polar substances because it prevents the both sides. Improved crystal presence is the basic and acidic side, which means the negative and positive both charges present apoptotic compound. So because of that, they have dipole moment because it can move the hydrogen ions in the medium. So this is the 20 strand amino acids having the general names. They are the three-digit abbreviations and single-digit abbreviations. So by this, usually the three-digit abbreviations are used because the single-digit abbreviation sometimes different could be confused. So the three-digit abbreviations are utilized for the classification, and we can identify what is the sequence. So although the one single-digit abbreviation also can be used. So this is different way which is upon the hydrophobic, hydrophilic, acidic, and basic amino acids. So these are the four major groups. Although these are further classified as the minor groups. So hydrophilic, which means the and hydrophobic, acidic, and basic. These are the most four groups. So nutritionally classification between the
टेंशन लेने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है वैसे भी यहाँ कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है सर की आवाज भी क्लियर नहीं आ रही है सबने अपना माइक ऑन रखा है और बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रहा सर क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं
माइक साउंड होंगे तो यही होगा बार बार हम म्यूट कर रहे हैं आप इसमें खोल रहे हैं आप क्या करें मैं तो बार बार म्यूट कर रहा हूँ यही काम कर रहा हूँ
सर हमारे माइक ऑफ नहीं है अभी ऑन के आपकी आवाज बहुत कट हो रही है बहुत बहुत ज्यादा कट हो रही है आपकी आवाज
नेटवर्क का मसला जैसी चीज है टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम मैं वैसे
आपकी आवाज बहुत कम है सुनाई नहीं दे रहा प्लीज ब्रिंग माइक क्लोजर
बोले ना अपने गले को ज्यादा जोर दें
ताकि हम तक पहुंच।
जब तक आप अपने माइक बंद नहीं करेंगे तो सब सही आपके लिए ना आवाज़ नहीं आएगी। इंटरनेट का अलग इश्यूज होते हैं, वो टेक्निकल फॉल्ट हैं, ठीक है ना। तो आप कैसे चल रही है, हमारे यहाँ कैसे चल रही है, ये अलग चीज़ें हैं, ठीक है। तो बाकी न्यूट्रिशनल बेसिस पे जो हमें क्लासिफाई करते हैं, एसेंशियल, यूजुअली नॉन एसेंशियल, इन बिटवीन दो अमीनो एसिड्स हैं जो हम क्लासिफाइड एज सेमी एसेंशियल बिकॉज these are also synthesized in the body, but these are in a growing phase of the between the childhood. These are required in the large quantity. So to meet the requirements in our body, these are essentially to be taken in our diet, are provided in our diet. So essential amino acids, these are the not synthesized in our body. So therefore, as these are not synthesized to be body requirements, they should be must be taken in our diet. These are the valine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, threonine, phenylalanine, and tryptophan. So semi-essential, as I told, these are the mainly synthesized in our body, but these are required in the large amount in the growing phase of our life. So to meet the requirements, these must be taken in our diet, additional supplement. So by the passage of the lateral life, their requirements decrease, so they can be also classified in the essential amino acids. So these are the arginine and histidine. So non-essential amino acids, these can be synthesized in our body. So although they can be taken as a, इसका मतलब नहीं है अगर नॉन एसेंशियल है तो हम उनको लेने नहीं है, वी कैन टेक, बट these are the synthesized in our body. जो हम एसेंशियल है उनको लेना लाजमी होता है, ये सिंथेसाइज होते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर बॉडी रिक्वायरमेंट. दी कैन बी टेकन in the large amount that they can be everything, extra everything is there. So in large amount they can be responsible for the disturbance of different things, protein sequences. So these are the alanine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, glycine, cysteine, cysteine, serine, tyrosine, proline, and hydroxyproline. So these are the different types of the amino acids, and structure similarity with the amino acids. So these are not involved in the protein synthesis because these are not having the genetic code. We say the 20 external amino acids because these are having the genetic code and these are responsible for the are involved in the protein synthesis. So these are the not genetic bearing code amino acids. These are responsible for the synthesis are different compounds, but these are not involved in the protein synthesis. Synthesis are different molecules are compound in our body. Beta-alanine is part of the coenzyme A. Gamma-amino acid, that is the neurotransmitter in the brain. Mono and dihydrotyrosine, these are intermittent thyroid hormone synthesis. Taurine, important component of the for the synthesis of the bile. Ornithine and acetylene are the intermediates of the urea cycle. When we want the urea cycle, these terms recall. Ornithine and acetylene are synthesis. They are intermediate in the urea cycle for the synthesis of urea, which is end product of the metabolism. Dopamine, dopa, dihydroxy. So this is the melanin, the pigment which is present in our body and mainly when you come on the hormones, that will be further discussed. So it is also some of the important in the body. So that is the precursor of the profile of that homocysteine found from after methylation of the methionine. So as we said, the importance of the in general, the important amino acids. These are mainly responsible for the, as we discussed, formation of the different types of proteins. The formation of glucose. These are the again the different types of the amino acids having glucose and ketone. So and their enzyme activity. A sulfide group of the cysteine and a buffer will be discussed. The carboxylic acid and amino group. These are the and positive and negative charges. So in the our body system for maintain the acid-base balance. The histidine is the having the pK value. What is the pK value? We are down. We will discuss about the 5 physics. So histidine is the pK value near to the body pH. So it is the act as the good buffer which is present in the detoxification reaction. Glycine, cysteine, methionine, detoxification, formation of the important biological compounds. So these are different compounds. Tyrosine forms hormones such as the thyroid hormones, epinephrine, norepinephrine, melanin pigment. Forming synthesis, vitamin B and niacin. Glycine, arginine, methionine, synthesize creatine, glycine, cysteine, and help in the synthesis of the bile salts. So histidine on decarboxylation can convert to the histamine. Histamine again another compound which is responsible for the formation of different functions and the allergic responses. The protein formed in serotonin again in neurotransmitter. The glycine is used for synthesis of the heme, which is an important part of the hemoglobin. Glutamine is used for synthesis of the purine and pyrimidine. Again, these are the responsible for synthesis of the nucleoprotein or nucleotide. Glycine and cysteine are used where the detoxifying of the cysteine and methionine are sources of the sulfur. Because these both are the sulfur containing amino acids on their degradation. These are the source of the supply of the sulfur in our body. Anime तो मैं ये अच्छी व्यवस्था तो चालीस चालीस में पूरा थी जाने वो को लेके बंद क्यों हुआ है मकेन पे बताया 40 मिनट वाला हुआ 40 मिनट का तो मैं करना लगा माने मान को क्वेश्चन भी लगा करे तो कुछ किया था बंद क्यों है क्या पर तो मुझे इधर तो एक परचेज का वो नहीं टाइम ना हो गया
time duration assume 40 minutes
वो आयो ना मुझे तने माजे वाले बस ऐसा
अगर
ठीक
तव्हांखे वरी ॾियणो आहे
बस
त
बस
बस न
40 मिनट पर मैं अच्छे प्रोग्रेस कंट्रोल कर रहा हूं ये मुझे ॿुधायो कि एक फ्री जो डाउनलोड थियल आहे उन में 40 मिनट 100 जी परचेज कंदव त अनलिमिटेड आहे टाइम बि